Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, a safe haven for you to talk about your hair, or our hair rather. I'm Crystal, by the way, if you don't already know. Don't forget to follow me on my other socials. You have my Instagram here, and you can also book through my website here. You can book and purchase hair here, by the way. Today's video is about how to wash a weave. I feel like there's been the odd occasion when clients come and they've used like particular products to wash the weave and you can feel like it's still a bit tacky, or you can still feel there's product in it. So I'm going to show you the perfect way to make sure the hair bounces back to like literally how it was when you first got it. I'm a little tramp. Obviously I've had short hair for like, this is what, we're in July, so that's 7 months I've had short hair. Obviously I took up my weave, didn't wash the hair on more than one occasion. So I've got 2 bundles of hair. I'm going to show you what happens when I wash it and how we brought it back to life. I've got this hair here, which is actually very curly, which you can't tell from this, but it's actually like, I mean really curly, but I like when I wear my weave, especially when my hair was natural, I liked to have texture. Like I didn't want the hair to be bone straight and I'm having to straighten my hair every day. So I picked a curly weave and lightly blew it out, and I would just curl it and then it would kind of look like this. You can see it's a bit fluffy, it's not too straight. So that's how I really liked wearing my weave. But that's the curly hair I want to show you. Basically it's the hand wefted hair. I want to show you how to wash it and the best way to wash hand wefted hair, because I know washing hand wefted hair is not easy. Not that even that it's not easy, but you just got to be that little bit more extra careful with it anyway. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So stay tuned, we're going to hit the bathroom. So a little tip is that some people, if you've got a few bundles, which I'm only going to wash one bundle here, I'm being lazy. Some people like to use clips to put the hair together just so that you don't lose the order, so it's easy to wash. So I'm just going to start with a bit of water, not too hot. Is to use a cleansing shampoo, but I'm using the Design Essentials Oat Protein and Henna cleansing shampoo, which you're gonna see, like I don't go crazy with these things, yeah. So obviously you've got some shampoo, gonna put it on the hair, and then you're gonna just kind of stroke it. Don't wash it like it's your pants. That's the best way. So literally downward motion, make sure you get the top, make sure you get the tops in. You might have to take off the clips depending on how many bundles you've got. And then we're gonna rinse. Again, the water's not too hot. That's how I rinse the hair. Done. All the soap's out, as you can see. For our second shampoo, I'm gonna use a bit of Tresemme. Oh. Yeah, get a nice little handful. Stroke it in the downward motion. I like Tresemme because it smells good, it's a light shampoo. Then we're gonna rinse again. And again, you can see I wasn't rough with the hair. Hold it by the clip. Make sure you give it a good rinse. That's actually all done. So we're gonna lightly squeeze it in the towel, just like that. And then I'm gonna put conditioner on. It's Tresemme I'm using. Bit of conditioner. Put it on. Don't need to drench it in conditioner because getting it out is a nightmare if you do. Definitely want to use a tangle teaser. That makes life so much more easier because you can get in really close to the roots. You can see it's all nice. You can see the curls are coming through. I'll leave that on for a couple of minutes and then we'll rinse it off. So this is our hand wefted wavy. You can see it's a lot thinner than the other one. See how thin that is? Again, towel dry, just squeeze down, don't rough it up. Bit of conditioner, and I think this is the important part with the hand wefters. You just got to take your time and comb it from the roots. You may even have to use. Oops, I've got a bit on. Okay, I've got conflicting views on conditioning your weave. First thing is that I don't like conditioning my weave, especially straighter textures or silkier textures, because I find that it's, unless you've got a lot of time, it's really hard to rinse it out and get rid of it. So if you're gonna put conditioner on, just make sure you rinse it really well. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is gonna brush right from the top. Because with the hand lift, you can look at here. So we're gonna brush it right from the top. You can see it's tiny and just a little bit at the top. So we're gonna use the brush and go in really close, nice and neat near the top. Right, this hair actually detangles really easy. I don't have to do much. Let me take the camera and show you guys. So it's detangled really nicely. Oops, I'm trying to do this one hand. Detangled really nicely. There's like nothing. You can see there's no product build up at the top either. It's just conditioner there. If it does get matted, what I would say is take a thin comb, which I'm going to show you now. Get a small comb and just comb it downwards from the top down. And because I've done it with the tangle teas already, it's really easy. But you should find like, you just comb it down once. Nice and easy. Okay, there's a tiny bit. You can see this here. So I'm just going to rinse it now. Again, this is our wavy texture, so you can see the colour trying to bounce through. Rinse it really well, because this texture is really quite silky. I want to rinse it a lot more than the other one. Grab your towel, gently squeeze down, and good to go. Okay guys, so I've just washed the weave. So here's the curly one. What I'm going to do is just give it a couple of squirts of my, you know, my favourite leave-in conditioner. So literally, that's it for one bundle. So I'm going to use our Tangle Teaser and just brush through, like that. You can see it's brushing through really nicely. I personally, like, no matter what texture, I prefer if it's dried naturally. So if you've got a balcony or a garden and you can just like lay it somewhere, let it dry, peg it and let it dry, please do. If you have to put it on the heater, do you know what I tend to do in my house? I put it, there's a chair and I leave it by the window and I let it dry. Like, usually by the next morning you come, it's dry, or I put it out on the balcony to dry. But if you have to put it on a radiator, please lay it on a towel first. And then, so literally, my arm is the radiator. There is your towel. If you must, like, this is not my favourite method of people drying their weave. And then just hang it on there, like that. Otherwise, I don't really, that's not my favourite way. I'm going to use the same method for the hand wefted, a couple squirts of leave-in conditioner. Brush it through, and we're gonna let that air dry, and then I'll come back and show you guys the end result. So we finished with the hair. I've actually been out shopping, and that's probably why my makeup looks a bit crazy. So here's the curly hair. See, all the curls are back, popping. The hair's like really nice, and oh, it looks really nice. Feels really good too. Not greasy. You can see it looks and feels really good. And then this, so as you can see, this is the section that's dry. It's wavy again, the hair's light, moving, not greasy, not weighed down. Exactly how you want your weave, perfect for when you go to a hairdresser's appointment. But yeah, that's it. Simple things, simple ways to wash your weave. I don't know what else to say to you. Like, nice and easy, nice and simple. This is the hand wefted hair, washed and ready to go for your whoever's appointment. So guys, just want to say thanks once again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment. Let me know what your thoughts are below, and I'll see you on another Sunday for another video. Take care guys.